Hello world, this is Darin Martineau, and in this video I am going to show you my review of List Infinity. Okay, what is List Infinity? It is a list builder, okay, and what it has in here is it has some incredible lead capture pages that you're going to get. You can join the free level. The starter level is $7, the $100 level, or the $300 level. Okay, I recommend coming in at the $100 level because I'm going to show you the bonus I'm going to give you, which is valued at over $455, which you're going to get for free by joining the $100 level. Okay, so what is List Infinity? Okay, it's the ultimate list builder, um, and what you're going to do is we have videos to show you how to set up everything, but you can use your autoresponder, whether you have Aweber, GetResponse, or LeadSleep. I use LeadSleep. I highly recommend LeadSleep. So inside the Team Freedom, I show you how to do all kinds of marketing. Okay, you can copy my funnel for free. Just put in your name and email, and I'll give you access to my entire funnel. Okay, with the training, everything. So you can get that for free. But what List Infinity does is it gives you incredible lead capture pages. Okay, it gives you training. These are some of the lead capture pages here. It also gives you the starter level videos. You get list building videos, email marketing, Facebook marketing, video marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube, Snapchat. For the pro level, you're going to get all the pro level videos as well. Okay, so you're going to get the success mindset, Facebook traffic strategies, list building, and all of these things here. Okay, so we're going to talk about what my exclusive offer is. Okay, for joining at least $100 level. Okay, when you join List Infinity under my link and at least the $100 level, you're going to get my exclusive Team Freedom Big Bonus Package. You're going to be able to copy my Team Freedom funnel. Okay, you're going to get my secret traffic Rolodex. Okay, I have both free and paid traffic. In the secret traffic Rolodex, that's the paid, but it's very cheap. It's not expensive. You don't have to pay these high amounts like with pay-per-click and everything like that. Next, you're going to get my secret traffic, viral traffic Rolodex. I show you both free and paid traffic inside here in this massive bonus package. Okay, you're going to get my best recurring affiliate programs ebook. You're going to get my Team Freedom exclusive marketing video training. I have a step-by-step guide, and when you do each step, you unlock bonuses in each step. Okay, but this particular bonus is for the List Infinity $100 level bonus, and I'm going to give you this total bonus package at valued at over $455. As you can see here, you're going to get all of this. Okay, you're going to get 328 of my powerful email marketing follow-up messages. You're going to get my incredible ChatGPT super email prompt where you can create your own emails, but this has got a lot of things in place. Okay, you're going to get my Team Freedom affiliate marketing quick start guide. You're going to get my exclusive marketing video training and showing you how to get unlimited free traffic, my unlimited free traffic guides, and my viral marketing. Okay, I also have a book called Mastering YouTube Marketing from Zero to Viral Growth, and this is 16 chapters where I break down the YouTube marketing and step by step. So click on the link. Okay, put in your name and email. You can get access to the Team Freedom, but if you want this particular massive big bonus, you got to join the List Infinity $100 level. Okay, and you get 100% commissions from this List Infinity. That means every time you sell something, you're going to get 100% commissions for it. So click on the link, and we'll see you on the inside of Team Freedom.